As was explained in other videos, while trading solutions can be used to predict future prices, a better approach to creating profitable signals is to predict which actions will make the most money. In other words, find a solution by training the neural network to identify successful trading patterns and reproduce them as closely as possible. To train a neural network in this way, we need historical examples of when the best trades would have occurred. You can use the optimal signal to identify these examples. Trading Solutions systematically analyzes all the historical data for a stock to determine when the key trades would have been performed. For more information about the optimal signal, see the video help titled, "What is an optimal signal?" Like other types of calculations, you can create a prediction by selecting to add a new field to the stock and then indicating predict or model a value. In this case, we want to model an optimal signal for the stock. If we didn't already have one, we could create one here by selecting Create Field. Now we're trying to predict what action we should currently be taking. In other words, we'd like to predict what the current value of the optimal signal would be if it had future prices to look at. Because of this, we want to predict the current value, so we're going to leave the samples in advance set to 0. Next, the neural network needs to know what information is available for predicting the desired value. Selecting good inputs is essential to creating an effective prediction. For more information about this, see the video help titled How to Select Inputs to a Prediction. Now for this example, I'm just going to use the raw data that I imported from the internet. Once we've selected our inputs, we have the option to change the settings that will be used for training the prediction. Trading Solutions will iteratively go through the potential inputs and weights to best transform the available information into the desired value. By default, this training is performed on recent data with some set aside for validation. If you need more information about this, you can click on the video help and find out more about what are optimization ranges. Now let's have Trading Solutions get to work. The default processing can take several minutes to find a good solution. So while Trading Solutions is working on this prediction, let's look at a similar prediction I made previously. Here I'm going to change our chart. I'm going to remove the optimal signal. I'm going to add the prediction that I made earlier. Now from the chart, we can see that this approach correctly identified some of the key trades for this stock. If we used more information than just the raw price data, we could potentially see even better results. For more information on determining whether a signal would be worth trading, see the video help titled Determining if a Signal is Worth Trading.